You think she's not interested. No signs, no flirting, no attention. And in your head, the story is already over. Stop, because attraction doesn't die that fast. Most of the time, it hasn't even started yet. Here's the truth most men never hear: a woman not liking you at first means almost nothing. Attraction is not a switch, it's a process, and small changes in how you show up can completely change how she feels. Let's start with the most powerful weapon you have, and you're probably using it wrong: your eyes. Not staring, not quick nervous glances. Calm, relaxed eye contact. When you talk to her, slow down, relax your shoulders, and gently focus on her left eye. Why? Because that side of the brain connects to emotion and bonding. When your eye contact feels warm and steady, her body feels safe before her mind decides anything. You're not saying, "Like me," you're saying, "You're safe here," and safety is where attraction begins. Your eyes should say 3 things without words: I see you, I respect you, I'm calm. Words can lie, eyes almost never do. Now let's talk about something people underestimate: scent. Smell goes straight to emotional memory. Not loud, not cheap, not overpowering. Imagine this: you're not around, and she smells something familiar. Suddenly, she thinks of you. That's not magic. That's psychology. Your scent becomes linked to comfort and presence, and attraction grows quietly. Next, anxiety. Feeling nervous around her doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. The problem isn't nervousness. The problem is letting it control you. Calm is attractive because calm feels safe. Before you see her, do something simple. Talk to someone who genuinely cares about you. A parent, a close friend, someone who makes you feel grounded. That one call lowers stress and reminds your body you are already valued. So you don't walk in trying to prove yourself. You walk in choosing to share your time. That energy changes everything. Now let's talk about the date. Most men choose boring plans: dinner, coffee, sitting across from each other. Safe but forgettable. Attraction needs emotion. Instead of talking about life, experience something together. Movement, excitement, something unexpected. A walk with a view, dancing, a small adventure. When her heart rate goes up, her brain starts linking that feeling to you. She may not realize it, but she feels different around you. And different is powerful. Pay attention to how you treat others: staff, strangers, anyone around you. Calm respect shows emotional maturity, and women notice this deeply. When the bill comes, don't make a show. Handle it quietly if you choose to pay. Confidence doesn't announce itself, it moves naturally. Now listen carefully, this part matters. Don't rush intimacy. Forcing a kiss kills mystery. Restraint creates tension. If it happens naturally, great. If not, leave her wondering. End the night warm. A genuine smile, a calm hug, "I enjoyed tonight," then leave. Curiosity is stronger than confirmation. And now, the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop focusing on getting her to like you. Start focusing on becoming steady. Women are drawn to men who are growing, not perfect, not loud, not desperate. Men who control their reactions. Men who don't collapse after rejection. Men who don't need approval to feel whole. That stability makes you hard to label. And what's hard to label becomes interesting. Speak less. Listen more. Use pauses. Let silence work for you. When you talk, speak about things that matter to you. Purpose, direction, meaning. That's what separates you from every man trying too hard. And finally, understand this: attraction is not effort, it's energy. Neediness pushes away. Calm purpose pulls in. You don't convince a woman to like you. You change how she feels around you. So stop chasing. Start grounding yourself. Let her feel seen. Let her feel safe. Let her feel curious. You don't need every woman to want you. You just need to become so centered, so calm, and so solid that when she finally notices you, you didn't ask for attention. You earned it. And that's the kind of attraction that lasts.